شيء قدير الذي خلق الموت والحياة ليبلوكم.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my students? Hope we are all well by the Almighty Allah. Let's go to see a paragraph. Tea stall. The lessons we will learn here: number 1, tea stall paragraph; number 2, article gaps; number 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. 3 items will be taught at the same time. Part 1, tea stall paragraph. Now we will talk about tea stall paragraph. A tea stall is a common sight in our country. It is found in cities, towns, bazaars, railway stations, bus stands, and even in villages. It is a small shop. In a tea stall, there are few chairs, tables, or benches. Prepared tea is sold here. Biscuits, cakes, loaves, bananas, cigarettes, and betel leaves are also sold here. There is often a boy or two to serve tea to the customers. The manager sits behind the box, collects money from the customers. An ordinary tea stall is dirty. A kettle is always kept hot on the stove. A tea stall opens in the morning and closes late at night. A tea stall is a popular place. People of different ages and classes come here. They take tea and talk with one another. They discuss one various subjects. They also talk on village politics, national and international politics, and one current affairs. Sometimes customers rise a storm over a cup of tea. A tea stall is an important place of social gathering indeed. We read out the paragraph of tea stall. Now we have to practice. A tea stall is a common affair. It is seen by the sides of the road, and easily we can visit a tea stall having a cup of tea. However, you have to practice more and more. By practicing, you have to advance, no doubt. Again, I show you the scope to see the tea stall paragraph. By your mind or with attention, you can observe the tea stall paragraph from first to last and have a good command on each sentence. Again, you have to achieve the skill to write freehand English. The second half paragraph, cast your eyes carefully and properly. Then you have to be complete yourself. Part 2, article gaps. Now we will talk about article gaps. Read out the passage about article gaps. A tea stall is a common sight in our country. It is found in cities, towns, bazaars, railway station, bus stand, and even in villages. It is a small shop. In a tea stall, there are few chairs, tables, or benches. Prepared tea is sold here. Biscuits, cakes, loaves, bananas, cigarettes, and betel leaves are also sold here. There is often a boy or two to serve tea to the customers. The manager sits behind the box, collects money from the customers. An ordinary tea stall is dirty. A kettle is always kept hot on the stove. A tea stall opens in the morning and closes. Now you have to fill up the blanks by article A and the or cross. You see several blanks, especially 5 blanks you have to fill up with A and the or cross. I already gave the answer. First article A, second article A, third article cross, fourth article and fifth article the. As per the rules and regulation of article A and the or cross, we have to fill the blank. Particular item, the, non-particular item A or N, no article cross. Again I gave the chance to follow the whole passage. If you carefully try your level best, you can fill up the blanks by article A and the or cross. Okay? Again I gave you the chance to see the answer. Hope if you see carefully, the answers will be so excellent to you. First article A, second article A, third article cross, fourth article N, fifth article the. In this way we have to fill up the blanks. Part 3, capitalization and punctuation mark. Now we will talk about capitalization and punctuation mark. Again you can observe the whole passage, and as per the sentence you have to fill the capital letter and punctuation mark. Follow here, there are 5 words and each word belongs capital letter and punctuation marks. Country, cities, biscuits, customers, dirty. Each word has to be filled with capital letter or punctuation mark. Follow here the answer. Country, full stop, cities, comma, biscuits, B capital letter, customers, full stop, dirty, full stop. Country, at the end of the sentence you have to use full stop, exclamatory sentence, exclamatory sign, interrogative sentence, interrogative sign. At the beginning we have to use capital letter, or as proper noun we have to use proper noun capital letter. Again you have to fill up the blanks or correct yourself by capital letter and punctuation mark. Okay, now you try your level best. You have to fill up or correct. Again I show you the answer. Country full stop, cities comma, biscuit V capital letter, customer full stop, dirty full stop. Okay, thank you. Good luck to your next class. You must observe the video class and like